Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've already signed in. Now start in an app like Word. From the top left, choose File, then Account to change the Office theme for every app at once. If you need to set a single app, go File, Options, General instead. That switches only the current program. Choose the Office theme drop-down and you'll see dark gray and black options. Do this now to reduce glare and improve focus. Changing here is the quickest first step toward the black theme across Office. Once you've opened Account or Options, select Black from the Office theme dropdown. You'll notice immediate changes in the ribbon, backstage view, and canvas area. This is by design to cut blue light and improve readability. If you used File right arrow options, click OK to confirm. If you used Account, the change applies to all signed-in apps. Make sure your Office build is recent, because older builds only offer dark gray. If you prefer system alignment, look for Use System setting in newer Office releases. Finish by confirming the look in another Office app to ensure the theme applied everywhere. If it did not, first update Office via File right arrow Account right arrow update options, because older versions lack black. Next, sign out and sign in to force settings sync across devices. If it still fails, run a quick Office repair from Control Panel or Settings. This fixes corrupted UI resources. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.